Good morning students, I am Vetty Chelvi from Vetty and Vetty Neet Chemistry. Now I am going to give the question paper analysis. NDA appears by question patterns summary. So past 7 videos I have uploaded only for appears by. This is my second question paper. Same pattern I did already for appears 3. Now let us go to the knowledge. Here I have segregated the 3 types of question. The first alpha type I am calling the direct instant statement based question is the alpha type. Then formula applied workable moderate based question. It can be answered within 2 minutes. That is in the beta type question. The next one is knowledge concept applied complex time consuming. That 3 to 4 minutes only. That is in the gamma type questions. Now we are going to see regarding your physical chemistry these question numbers. That is question number. Go and verify the question number according to this number only. It is given 15, 16, 22, 29, 30, 31, 35, 41, 43. These questions, how many questions we are having? 9 questions of physical chemistry is alpha type. The same physical chemistry, this 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 24, 20, 34, 44, these questions belonging to beta type questions. Okay, gamma type questions, you are having only 4, all the 4 are in the physical chemistry only. So, totally we are having 22 questions out of 45 physical chemistry. Now, we are coming to the next one is the inorganic chemistry. Here, alpha type questions are 7. With the question number 2, 4, 14, 17, 32, 38, 40, 7 belonging to alpha type and 10 and 23, 2 beta type questions are there. There is no gamma type questions. Only 9 questions. You see, only 9 questions is the inorganic chemistry. Next, we are coming to the organic chemistry with the question number 1, 9, 11, 12, 18, 19, 21, 25, 26, 27, 36, 42, 45 is category of alpha type. It is where 13 questions are there in the alpha type in the organic questions and then beta type is only 1 question. So totally your organic chemistry we are having 14 questions on the second priority. So now we are having totally, you see, totally your alpha type questions are 29. I can say 30 questions. Your beta type is 12. So together this we are having the gamma type question is only 4. Only 4 mean 41 questions you are having alpha and beta. I can say simply alpha type approximately 30, beta type is 10. If we thorough the knowledge mean the 10 or beta also you can convert as a alpha type questions. If you are strong in subject, these 4 questions also you can get by aiming of 45 questions out of 45. As I told, 180 mark is possible in chemistry. Now coming to the comparison of my previous strategic. Here my yearly strategic chapter wise it was given based on the 2019 in Neet question framed by myself. Before releasing of the NTA question paper, I have framed and given in the there is YouTube videos. You can go and verify. Physical chemistry questions we are expecting chapter wise it is given there. 20 to 23 and then inorganic is 10 to 11, organic is 10 to 12. These are the according to my strategy. What we had under appears 3, it is here what is it? It is given as that is 23 questions. Here your appears 3 summary is, here 1 question was not considered, only 44 questions. Among the 44, 23 physical, 9 is inorganic and 12 is organic. What we had in the appears 3, already separate video I have uploaded English and Tamil, utilized properly. Then appears 5. This is also I have uploaded 7 videos with the English and Tamil version. Use it properly. What is it is giving information. Physical chemistry 22, inorganic is 9 and organic is 14. So these 2 numbers are matching with my strategic preparations. So now this indicate my 30 years of experience in teaching to produce the many medicos and IITians. Okay, now let us coming to our next program is from appeal 6 to 10 chapter wise questions teaching and answering only in English. Some students are suggesting, I don't want to waste the time, so we are going to chapter wise. This is my previous plan itself, in English only. My kind and great request, which is the motivating for me, is I am having only not 300, only 297 subscribers. I want more subscribers to giving energy. So my kind request for the student is share my videos and bring the subscribers number 300 to 1000. Each student you bring only 4 students, that is all. Because after crossing 1000 only it is benefit for me. Please do subscribe with your friend and we will enjoy the preparation. All the best children. Thank you.